Hello friend, welcome to my Excel Vba channel. Student fee management in Excel operate with the second part. In the first part, I have discussed only Excel workbook student format. Today I will discuss coding. Let's go Microsoft Visual Basic code window. Insert 3 user form. First user form name calendar, second user form name user form 1, and third user form name user form 2. User form 1, open it. User form 1 form design. First image 1, insert our student fee managing system image. Insert multi-page and multi-page value 3, page 1 future, page 2 this future, and page 3 this future. Page 1 this future, list box 1, list box 2, command 1 and command 2. Command 2 caption, just insert image and name, add new button. Command button 1 name setting button. Double click command button, add new button, and writing our code. Command button 1, double click to open code window and writing our code. Dim list row as long, dim find cool as long. If me dot list box 2 dot visible is equal to true, then me dot list box 2 visible is equal to false. With me dot list box 2 for list row is equal to 0 to 13. If me list box 2 dot selected bracket list row bracket close is equal to true, then and page 2, insert 2 command button. Command button name command button 2 and command button 2 name edit student. Command button 2, double click the code window, me dot multipage 1 dot value 0, close code window. Command button edit student button, double click and code window, write your code. Me dot multipage 1 dot value is equal to 2. S3, this command button 3, add button, back button and save button, and this image, add image button. Add image button, double click, write our code, and add button, double click, writing our code. Back button, double click, writing our code me.multipage1.value is equal to 0. Save button, double click, the open code window, writing our code. In the Userform 2, double click and the from design, insert text box, insert date picker, insert command button, print PDF, writing our code. Save button, writing our code. Date picker, double click, writing our code, call calendar dot selected date me dot text 5. Close from 2. And last from design calendar, this from design calendar, insert combo box, insert button 1 to 42, insert level, and combo box, double click, writing our code, if me dot mbox and me ybox, then invited comma, then show date, ybox, double click, open code window and writing our code, if me dot mbox invited and me ybox invited, then show date in div. And the final step and this project finally finishing the next tutorial, and this particular download link